What's up guys, it's Seb here from Wolf Media, and in today's video I thought I could do a quick video for you content creators. If you're using Instagram Reels, TikTok and YouTube Shorts and you're spending endless amounts of time posting and reposting your content onto different platforms, today I thought I could show you how I easily batch create my content and post them on multiple platforms all in one go. So naturally, in my case, I have a much bigger following over on TikTok, so I prioritize all my content on TikTok. So what I do is I'll create my video on my camera and then I'll edit it in Premiere Pro. Once I'm happy with it, I'll then export it and take it straight to my phone, and then I'll enter the TikTok app and do some slight adjustments like adding music and text. I'll decide what I want to add as my description and my hashtags. Once I'm happy with that, I'm then pretty much ready to post, but here's where the little hack comes in. What I do is I click on the little icon on the TikTok, and while I'm doing that simultaneously, I'm also screen recording my video. Now the reason why I'm screen recording my video is because I've added loads of text onto my TikTok and I've also added some music in the background. So what happens with the screen recording is that it's recorded a high quality version of my ready to post TikTok with all the sounds and all the text that I've added within the TikTok app. And it then allows me to repost it onto Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts without having the TikTok watermark you see on a lot of Instagrams and a lot of YouTube Shorts. So once I've screen recorded my TikTok video, I'll then head over to a photo app and then I'll trim the start of the video and the end of the video so it hasn't got that screen recording effect on the video. Once I've done that, I'll head over to Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. I'll paste in my description and hashtags, and then I'm pretty much ready to post in a matter of minutes, so I don't have to go through my video once again and edit all the text and add all the music on all the other platforms. It's all ready to go in my camera roll, so then I can repost it really easily. This method saves me so much time when I'm posting on multiple platforms, and especially when I'm in a little time crunch and I don't have much time to post. But there you go guys, if you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.